The Infinix Note 50 Pro is getting closer to its global release. The phone recently received SDPPI certification, confirming its upcoming arrival. It'll be part of the new Infinix lineup, expected to replace the Note 40 series in early 2025. The device carries the model number X6855, which was also seen in GSMA's IMEI database last year. This suggests the launch could happen in just a few weeks. A recent FCC certification has also revealed some key specifications. The Infinix Note 50 Pro will feature NFC, a boost in RAM from 8GB to 12GB, and 256GB of storage. It'll support LTE, dual-band Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. Moreover, one noticeable detail is its 9mm thickness, which is unusual for a non-rugged phone. This could be due to a larger battery or wireless charging, though this isn't yet confirmed. However, the FCC listing did confirm its 45-watt wired fast charging. In reference, Infinix Note 40 Pro series offers 70-watt wired and 20-watt wireless charging with a magnetic kit. Fans will be eager to see if these features return in the Note 50 Pro. The Note 40 Pro also features an enlarged 6.78-inch curved AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, minimal bezels, and an in-display fingerprint sensor. It's equipped with a 32MP selfie camera housed in a punch hole cutout. Given that the Note 40 series launched in March 2024, the new Note 50 lineup is likely to follow a similar schedule in 2025. The Infinix smartphone price typically stays competitive. The company will need to justify the changes in design and features. More details should emerge soon as the global launch approaches.